Like I said, tomorrow we have no rain chances and it's going to be nice, fresh, and about around average for this time of the year. And that's going to be the case for the next couple of days. We're going to see around average temperatures, but we are tracking the moisture and our rain chances are going to start picking up. Let's take a look at our percentages right now. Tuesday going into Wednesday, we may be looking at a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms that may roll into the area. This is why we only gave you about 10%. Now we go into Wednesday and Thursday, 30% Wednesday, 50% Thursday. I'm thinking it's going to be the same thing go over again. Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, we may see those rain chances. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, still 30% chance. Hopefully we don't get any cancellations from our games like me and B have been talking about, and Jerry. And so hopefully we don't have to be out in the rain or even just talking about cancellations when we are talking about our first week of blitz. But we got a lot of dry air in place. All of this is going to start dropping off as we go into Tuesday, going into Wednesday morning. And then we are going to be looking a little bit wetter. As you can see, all the moisture focused right along the borderland for El Paso and Las Cruces. That is Wednesday going into Thursday. Now this model is bringing it all the way to Thursday evening. As you can see, rain chances still there all the way through Thursday evening and even Friday evening as well. A couple of spits of showers, but this is going to start slowly making its way to the east. Our rain chances may drop off. Well, how much rain could we see here? This is about 1/3 of an inch in El Paso, a little bit more than 1/3 up there in Las Cruces, and 2/3 out there in Chop. As we look out there, 1/3, almost looks like the area of focus is going to be mostly right along Interstate 10, Interstate 25, Las Cruces and El Paso on into Tornillo as well. As you can see, it really drops off as we move a little bit east. This is all the way through Thursday morning. Now, everybody's wondering, what is it going to look like as we go into the first week of September? We're going to be leaning slightly wetter across the area. And then as we look at temperature outlook, we're going to be about around normal for this time of the year. So we can see those temperatures in the mid to low 90s. Not really talking about any triples here, but you can see where all the cool air is really taking the focus as we are watching a cold front. That's going to really cool down the rest of the United States as we go into the first week of September. Now, as we look at the next several days, back to Brian Matches firm. Monday, we are in the clear. So Lauren, if you are planning to go out to the pool, it's looking good. 96 degrees. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the way up until Saturday.